Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to check TPM version in laptop or PC Windows 11. To start, right-click on Start menu, choose Terminal Admin and click on Run as Administrator. Select Yes to open the terminal. After that, run the command Tpmtool, getdeviceinformation. Press the Enter key. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You can have access to all the TPM details on your PC. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.